Time is running out to get your calls in for our Consumer Protection Phone Bank. Experts are taking your calls for about another 13 minutes or so. Call the number that you see right there at the bottom of your screen. It's 888-209-8881 to get any of your questions answered. And then next, we'll check back in with reporter Jackie Calloway. We'll find out one more time, how to protect yourself against the new crimes against consumers.
Good morning, everyone. If you didn't already know, it's National Consumer Protection Week. We're taking action for you this morning with our Consumer Protection Phone Bank. Take a look around. These phones have been ringing non-stop. We have consumer experts here from both Hillsborough and Pinellas County Consumer Protection. We have the Department of Ag and Consumer Services here. They handle moving and mechanical issues. We have Bay Area Legal Services here taking any legal questions that you may have. We're dealing with everything from bad contractors and bad car deals to imposter scams and IRS problems. We're going to go right now to Tom. Tom is with Bay Area Legal Services. Thank you so much. You and I have talked before, landlord-tenant issues, huge. Number one thing people should do if they're having trouble with a landlord not making repairs.
Well, the first thing would be to try to talk to them about it, get them to fix it. And if that fails, then under landlord-tenant law, you have certain remedies. The most important thing I would say is do not just not pay the rent or fix the repairs and deduct it from the rent. You can't do that in Florida. You have to give a written notice in writing. It's very specific. You can call our office on details on that or look online. There's lots of places to help with that. It's called a 7-day notice to withhold rent.
Let me ask you this. Another big problem that we hear, I know you hear it as well, people not getting deposits back. Number one, two thing they should do.
With the deposit, a lot of people say, well, I just moved out. I want my deposit back. It's 30 days. The landlord has to make a claim on the deposit. You have to wait that 30-day period before you move out, take pictures of everything, open the stove, the oven, the doors, make sure you document there's no problem. After 30 days, if you don't get a notice by certified mail, you can pursue it in small claims court unless they voluntarily pay it.
Thank you, Tom. I appreciate it. Well, let's get back to the calls. And again, if you're having a landlord-tenant issue, you can actually get a copy of the Florida's landlord-tenant law, very easy to read, at 800helpfla.com. Meanwhile, guys, these experts are only going to be here for the next 10 minutes or so. Give a call if you've got a consumer issue. Back to you.
Closed captioning is brought to you by Lakeland Toyota. Save more